At the end of this trading week, traders avoid risky assets and central banks remain cautious. Christine Lagarde said that the ECB would closely monitor all macroeconomic data. You can get more information on the issue from our video review on InstaForex TV channel. Early next week, all eyes will be turned to the IFO Business Climate Report. During the previous months, the indicator showed improvement of both entrepreneur sentiment and assessment of the current situation. In December, the indicator hit the highest level since June. Economists expect a correctional drop. The data can hardly influence the euro, however, it should be taken into account. On Tuesday, the US will publish its December data on durable goods orders. In November, the indicator slumped by 2%. Demand for transport equipment and vehicles significantly fell. Analysts forecast that the indicator will pick up by 0.4% on a monthly basis. On Wednesday, traders will focus on the Australian dollar. The Reserve Bank of Australia is closely monitoring data on the Australian inflation and the labour market. The regulator is trying to choose the appropriate stance of the monetary policy. Analysts suppose that in the fourth quarter the consumer price index advanced by the same 1.7%. That's much lower than the RBA's targeted level of 2–3%. It means that the regulator is likely to cut the key interest rate in the near future. Later during the US trading session, the Fed will announce its decision on the key interest rate. During the previous meeting, the regulator kept the key rate unchanged. Economists suppose that on Wednesday, the Fed will take the same decision. The US dollar is likely to depreciate a bit amid investors' reaction as they expect a rise of the benchmark interest rate. Apart from the above-said events, it would be a good idea to take notice of other important reports. On Monday, the UK will reveal the high-street lending figures and the US will disclose their new home sales data. On Tuesday, market participants will focus on the business confidence data from Australia. Switzerland will report on its trade balance. The country's economy largely depends on exports. The US Consumer Confidence Index is also due for release on Tuesday. Wednesday is also reaching macroeconomic events. Japan and Germany will report on their consumer climate. You were watching Forex Trader Calendar on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals.